You got it?
I got it.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
It's either a big spike deal or a Gator Gar, but I don't know how big it is. Let's wait and see first. Oh, turn. Don't come that way. That's either, okay, there we go. It's either a big spike bill or a Gator Gar. That might have been her, but I don't think it was. Oh, that's a Gator Gar. It's a male Gator Gar. Go ahead and jog him again. Wait. Can't get him. Oh, get him.
I think I glanced him.
I looked hard and I looked at the tail and I seen the spots. I said, that's a Gator Gar.
Well, I don't know.
He's a male.
Nope, you got it.
No, I didn't either.
No?
No. I was wrapped around him. Okay, I need to turn the boat.
If you got a little gaff, I can.
I got it.
Hold on. With this gaff here, you basically got to get him in the
mouth.
In the mouth. We get a 200-pound fish, it's gonna be a mess.
Yeah. What you want to do?
I need to get it in the mouth. Man, I can't get it. Wait this.
Here. Hey, let me get.
There we go. Got it.
All right, what you want to do?
I want to come in the boat with him. Go this way.
Which way?
All right, you ready?
One.
Ready?
What you want to do, Brad? Hey, I can deal with that, bro. Watch that boat behind you, Bubba.
Yes, sir.